What's up, guys? We're at our install. We're up here in Todd, North Carolina. This is our situation. We got tight. We got a door that we can't get the cart to roll down in. So how would you get this vanity top in there? Think about that. I already know. I'm going to let David think about it too before I tell him the plan. David's going to show me his idea with the template here. What you think, man? They're gonna go past. Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I have no idea.
Alright, so I went ahead and took this piece of trim here off, and I took this cover to the outlets off. As you can see, I should be able to go straight up and down. I also have previously back cut the top, so hopefully it'll work out for us. Alright, I'm taking a risk dicking around with this video here, but I wanted y'all to see. Now we're going to work it all the way back and layer down. We're going to try it like this. If it falls off the door, I'm sorry. Let me work mine back to be good. Ready? Keep going back, buddy. Alright, Nick, pull yours forward because we're hitting the bar. Alright, let's layer and see what we got. We're going to have to work it back as we go down. We're going back, but you get yours back. Alright, let me take mine back again. Alright, take yours back. Beautiful. Let's see. Back on it. Let me do this right here.
You can come my way. Enough to.
So we trimmed the wood on the window, loosened that, now we're going down, baby. Tell me that wasn't a tight friggin' spot, dude. That's where being patient, knowing what you're doing, and taking your time. We loosened that to get by. This was about an 1/8 inch over the wood, so I trimmed it flush with the wood and took in a piece of sandpaper and sanded it, and we was able to slide by. So it's a tight freaking spot, guys. Tight spot. Guys, Fantasy Brown's a beast. This was too long to cut in one piece on the slab and then cut it in half. The sink runs very long. So I had to find a spot that matched this side on the same slab because I didn't have any more slabs of it either. So we're going to see if I'm worth a crap. I'm going to see how well I can blend this in. So I've got it together, but I've got a crown in this thing. So I'm a little high on this side up front, a little high on this side in the middle, a little high on this side in the back. So I've got a crown. So I've got to split the difference on each area so I can surface polish it, which sucks. Alright, I pulled the Aardwolf joint setter off and I'm going to clean this bad boy up. Alright, because those crowns, I got to do a surface polish. I can cry about it or I can just do it. Alright, we got it polished, smooth as butter. Now we just got to fill a couple little pits and make it look pretty. Alright, I got that skim coat peeled off. Now I'm going to try to spider black it in a few spots like I did right here. Alright guys, there she be. I think she looks pretty good. I'm sure there's people that could do it better. But do they get the added benefit of looking like that witch lady who hangs out with all the stars with some black fingers? I don't think so. Anyways, I think I got it blended pretty good, so y'all can let me know what you think. I'm sure the people that don't like it will. I'll see y'all on the next one. I hope everybody has a blessed day, and those of you that are with me in North Carolina, I hope you're prepared for the storm and that you have a safe weekend. I hope y'all can see that well.